This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a butter dish. First, gather your essential tools, including clay, a rolling pin, and a ruler. Next, prepare your workspace by ensuring it's clean and nonstick. Finally, make sure your clay is properly conditioned and ready for shaping. This preparation is key for a smooth crafting process and a beautiful finished product. Now, let's craft the dish base. Roll out a slab of clay to a uniform thickness, aiming for about 1/4 inch. Then, carefully cut a rectangular base, approximately 6 inches long by 3 inches wide. Remember to gently lift and smooth all the edges of your clay base. This ensures a stable and aesthetically pleasing foundation for your butter dish. Next, we'll design the lid for your butter dish. Create a second clay slab that is slightly larger than your base. Carefully form a dome or arch shape for the lid, ensuring there's enough clearance for the butter. Finally, add a small handle or knob to the top for easy lifting. This detail makes your butter dish both functional and stylish. For the finishing touches, smooth all surfaces of your butter dish and attach any decorative elements you desire. It's crucial to allow your creation to dry completely before firing, which can take several days. This patience ensures durability. Once dry, it's ready for the kiln. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.